Experiencing issues with Apple Intelligence call screening on your iPhone? This video provides a comprehensive guide to resolving common problems. We'll cover essential checks and fixes to ensure this feature, designed to protect your privacy and manage calls effectively, is functioning correctly. This video will cover enabling the feature, checking permissions, language settings, updating iOS, and more. For example, when you receive a call from an unknown number, call screening intercepts it and asks the caller for their name and reason for calling, as shown here. The feature displays a notification on your lock screen, giving you options to manage the call. One common issue is outdated software. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for optimal performance. The feature requires microphone access to listen to callers. Check that permissions are granted in Settings. Ensure your Siri language and region are set correctly, as call screening integrates with Siri. In the following sections, we'll dive deeper into each fix to get your call screening working perfectly. To enable call screening, start by opening your iPhone's Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. The Settings icon is usually on your home screen. Once in Settings, scroll down until you see the Apps section. Tap on Apps to expand that section, then look for and select Phone. In the phone settings, find the Screen Incoming Calls option and toggle it on. This enables the core call screening functionality. With this toggle enabled, call screening will now intercept calls from unknown numbers and prompt callers to state their purpose before your phone rings. Within the Screen Incoming Calls section, select your preferred screening method. You have three options: Never, which disables screening; Ask Reason for Calling, which prompts unknown callers to state their purpose; and Silence, which sends unknown calls directly to voicemail. Ask Reason for Calling is usually best. Choose the setting that best suits your needs and privacy preferences. Call screening relies on Siri's language capabilities. Go to Settings, General, Language and Region. Confirm that your Siri language is set to a supported language, such as English, Mandarin, or Spanish. Also, make sure your region is supported. Call screening only works with supported languages and regions, so ensuring the correct settings is crucial for proper functionality. Fix 4 focuses on granting microphone permissions to the phone app. Call screening requires microphone access to listen to and analyze the caller's voice, transcribing their responses. Without this permission, the feature cannot function properly. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll access all privacy controls. In Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security, then select Microphone. This section controls which apps can access your microphone. In the Microphone Permissions list, find the Phone app and ensure its toggle is switched on. If it's off, tap it to enable. This grants the necessary access for call screening to work. Remember, without microphone permission, call screening cannot analyze the caller's speech to transcribe responses. This setting is easy to overlook, so double-check it if the feature isn't working. An outdated iOS version can cause compatibility issues with call screening. To update, open the Settings app. Navigate to General, then tap Software Update. Download and install any available updates. These updates often include bug fixes and optimizations that improve call screening and overall Apple Intelligence features. Keeping your device updated is crucial for optimal performance. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches that may prevent call screening from working correctly. To restart your iPhone, first press and release the volume up button. Next, press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button. Slide to power off when the screen appears. Finally, press and hold the power button again to turn your iPhone back on. This process clears temporary glitches and should help restore call screening functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with Apple Intelligence call screening. Remember to double-check all settings after an iOS update. If problems persist, contact Apple support for further assistance. Keeping your iPhone secure and managing unwanted calls is essential in today's world. Thank you for watching.